Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today this is an update video of my residential door closer. If you're wondering why is it moved over and why this is different, well, in case if you haven't noticed, I think I said this on my other video, this is a hollow door. See how hollow it is? Well, I was looking for something in here, and I pulled the door a little too hard, and then these screws, I have 2 screws because there's no need for 3. 2 of those screws came out, so I'm like, great, now I have to remount this. So I did. I remounted the whole closer, and it's working fine now. And yes, I did speed up the speed, because this is a storage door, so I really don't care what speed it is, as long as it's not like too slow. Here's the hold open. And yes, sir, I did add other stuff here before, but that's just from another thing. Before this closer, I did have my touch and hold closer on here. If you saw my other video, yeah, this is the closer was here. I took it off because, I don't know why, but I don't know if this closer is going to be a permanent install. Probably not. I'm probably going to add another door closer or something, but for now, this works. Alright, thanks for watching.